What's up, people? It's the Prelude Dude. Welcome back to the Parts Guys. I'm still in Illinois, but my brother needs some help with his Jetta, so... Alright, so this is my little brother's car. It's I think it's a 2000. I think this says 99 down here. Yeah, it's a 2000 Jetta with the 2-point slow on it. I already took that guy off there. But so it was misfiring real bad. He said he checked the codes and it was cylinder 3 and 4. And so I had him start it up, and right down here you got the main coil pack. So of course, my hillbilly self, I just start grabbing wires like, oh yeah, no, fine. I get over here and I grab that guy and I'm like, yeah! It got me. Both this wire and this wire is arcing like crazy. So I'm gonna swap the wires for him. Well, actually, I'm gonna teach him how to do it because he needs to learn this stuff. Anyways, we're gonna swap the wires and go ahead and swap spark plugs while we're at it. But it looks like to do this, we gotta separate the upper plenum. So we gotta pick up that gasket as well, the midship gasket, the upper plenum gasket. Yeah, so, oh man, that thing is oily. Look at that. Gotta love your first car, right, guys? Look at him. He's trying to figure it out. He has no idea what he's doing. But anyway, so what we're doing right now, we're separating this upper plenum, and you got these 3 Allen heads on the outside to take out, and then there's these nice little slots. Let's try to focus a little bit. See the slot there? There's one there and one on the other outside runner to get the interior bolts there. So he's working on that right now. They're not too bad to break loose, but obviously it's with the short Allen wrench we got, it's not going so smooth at the moment. In a safe space, put it in your pocket. There you go. There you go. All right, let's move on to the next step. Finally, on the back side, we got the last 2 Allen heads to take out. These are 6 millimeters. And once you get those free, you can actually lift the upper plenum. We separated upper plenum there. What are you running away for? What are you running away for?
So you don't want to be on camera? I'm putting you on camera. Yep.
Anyways, so we separated upper plenum. You know, that's fine. But I start ripping off the plug wires, and we find out why it shocked the crap out of me. Look at that post. See, it's shattered. Yeah, that whole chunk just came off, still stuck in the terminal in there. So gotta swap the ignition coil. So that thing, what was it? 112 bucks is what it's gonna cost.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's not cheap. So this little tune-up just started costing a whole lot more. But yeah, first car.
Yeah.
Yeah, exciting.
Lasted a solid week before a misfire.
Yeah, a week. You're good. You're good. I don't get more than a week without a misfire. All right, so now we got to go pick that up, and then we can just finish swapping the spark plugs and the wires. Alright people, I ran out of time. I'm actually at the airport right now, and I forgot we did not finish recording. But we got it all slapped back together. He's running, no more misfires. He's good to go, and I got to get back to Tucson. So if you made it this far, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you next time on the Parts Guys. Woo!